everyone and welcome back to another video from Freshers Now. In today's video, you are going to get all the information regarding Accenture examination pattern, the syllabus and also the recruitment process. This video is going to be divided into different sections and I hope you all stay to the end of the video to hear some good news from Freshers Now. Let us get into the video. The recruitment process is under 3 rounds and the candidate has to take up all the 3 rounds in order to be eligible to take up the role. Number 1 being the online aptitude, number 2 is the technical round and number 3 is followed by the HR interview. In this section of the video, you are going to see what is the test pattern of the candidate has to go through. Number 1, which is called the stage 1, it is the cognitive and technical assessment. In the cognitive section, English ability, analytical reasoning and numerical ability will be tested, and in technical section, common application, MS Office, fundamentals of networking, all these sections which are mentioned here on the screen are tested for the candidate. Number 2 is coding, and in the coding section, fundamentals of programming and any language between C, C++, Java, Python, .NET will be tested. And number 3 is the communication test, and for the communication test, pronunciation, fluency, sentence mastery and vocabulary will be tested. And number 4, as I've mentioned, it is the interview round, and in the interview round, the main criteria which they will be looking into the candidate is on the basis of learning ability, the communication skills which are tested by the panel members accordingly. So now we will see what are the number of questions and the duration of time given to the candidate. So if in stage 1, 90 questions will be given to you in the time limit of 90 minutes. Stage 2, 2 questions will be given to you under the time limit of 45 minutes. And number 3, approximately 20 questions will be given to you to answer. The interview will be varying from candidate to candidate, as this interview round will be taken up personally as in the panel members and 1 ratio. And remember, the interview round will be conducted between 25 to 30 minutes. It is a 1-to-1 session and also the panel members will be there. So this will being differed from candidate to candidate, and your personal ability along with communicational skills will be tested. In this part of the video, we will see what is the syllabus or the topics which you need to consider for your preparation. For numerical ability, topics like algebra, equations, progression, profit and loss, percentage, averages, geometry, ratio and proportion, logarithms and all the rest of the topics which are mentioned here on the screen. These are not only the topics which I am mentioning, but please make sure that you are looking into each of the topic and taking note of it so that you will not miss any of the topic for your preparation. For the English ability, these are the topics which are considered under spotting error, sentence arrangement, sentence correction, grammar, prepositions, reading comprehension, synonyms, antonyms, idioms and phrases. All of these topics should be taken note for your preparation. For logical reasoning, coding, decoding, agree, disagree, directional sense, seating arrangement, inferred meaning, logical sequence and the rest of the topics which are mentioned here on the screen are to be taken note of. You will be tested on different topics and questions will come from each of the topic which I have mentioned here. So please be well prepared and aware enough when you are preparing. In the technical section, fundamentals of networking, common applications and MS Office and Studio Code will be tested. For the coding sections, C, C++, Java and Python will be tested. Now a reminder to all the candidates out there. So this is a note which is very important for you to pay attention to. The Accenture exam pattern which I have mentioned till now may vary from time to time. So students or candidates are requested to check the description below so that you can access the direct link of the website and you can get updated with the latest information from the company itself directly. Also, you can we have also provided the Accenture exam pattern in the link below, so please make sure to check the description so that you will get detailed information even more. The direct access of the website and also the link of the exam pattern will be placed in the description below. Please do check it. As I've mentioned, there is some good news for all the freshers and candidates out there. Freshers Now is giving out a free mock test for all of you to enhance your preparation. You can check the link which is mentioned here on the screen. Also, once again, as I've mentioned, you can check the description box below as it will give you direct access for the particular information to be known of. Also, you can access the website either through your mobile number or through your email ID, and then it will lead you to this particular website, the screen which I am showing here. All these categories of examinations which are mentioned here are eligible for access in taking up your mock test. Please make sure that you are going through Freshers Now website. All these mock tests which are provided by the Freshers Now are for free. Hereafter, there will be more categories of examination patterns and mock tests will be placed in the website for you to access. Don't forget to check out the channel and also the Accenture company website so that you will get latest and updated information. I hope you all like this video. Please make sure to subscribe for more learning videos. If you have any doubts or if you need any clarifications, please make sure to put it down in the comment section below. All the very best and stay tuned for Freshers Now for more learning and placement videos. Thank you.